Hello, I'm Dr. Rupi from the Doctor's Kitchen, and I'm passionate about helping you feel your best every single day. Today, let's talk about something that affects so many people: period pain. It's a topic that's often brushed aside, but for millions, it's a real struggle that can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming. That monthly discomfort can disrupt your life, your work, and your mood. But what if I told you that relief could actually start in your kitchen, with the foods you choose every day? Here at Medicine and Health Info MK, we truly believe that food is medicine. Oats, in particular, are a powerful, affordable tool you might be overlooking when it comes to managing period pain. Most people instinctively reach for painkillers, but your pantry actually holds real potential for natural relief. The right foods can make a surprising difference. Imagine if a simple bowl of porridge could help soothe cramps and make your period more manageable. It's comforting, nourishing, and easy to prepare. It might sound too simple, but the science behind it is real. Research shows that certain foods can help reduce inflammation and pain. Oats are accessible, versatile, and packed with nutrients like magnesium and fiber that specifically target pain and inflammation, making them a smart choice for your period. Today, I'll show you why oats are so special, how they can help you feel better, and share easy, delicious ways to add them to your daily routine. My goal is to inspire you with practical, evidence-based tips you can use right away, so you can take control of your health, starting in your own kitchen. Let's discover together how your next meal could be the start of a happier, healthier period and a more empowered you. Here's something surprising. Oats aren't just for period pain. Their anti-inflammatory powers help with all kinds of pain, from sore muscles to joint aches. Inflammation is like a fire in your body. Oats help calm it down. By eating oats regularly, you create an environment less prone to pain and discomfort. This is food as proactive medicine, supporting your body before pain strikes. For those with periods, oats may mean milder cramps and less reliance on medication. For everyone else, it could mean less stiffness and faster recovery. Oats are a universal health hack, hiding in your cupboard. They're not just for breakfast, they're for anyone wanting to manage pain naturally. Appreciate the power of this simple grain. Oats are a foundation for a healthier, more comfortable body. Let's break down the fascinating science behind why oats are such a powerful food for period relief. You might be surprised to learn just how many ways oats can help soothe your body during your cycle. Oats are rich in magnesium, a natural muscle relaxant that helps ease uterine cramps. Magnesium calms the muscles in your uterus, reducing the intensity and frequency of painful contractions. They're also packed with zinc, which helps regulate hormones and reduce inflammation by lowering prostaglandin levels, the culprits behind severe cramps. Zinc also supports your immune system, which can be extra helpful when your body feels run down. B vitamins in oats, especially B1 and B6, support energy and mood, helping with PMS symptoms like irritability. These vitamins are essential for your nervous system and can help you feel more balanced overall. Vitamin B6 boosts serotonin, your feel-good chemical, which can help lift your mood and reduce emotional ups and downs. Oats' soluble fiber, beta-glucan, keeps digestion regular and helps balance hormones by removing excess estrogen. A healthy digestive system is key to managing hormone levels naturally. A healthy gut means a smoother cycle, less bloating, and more comfort throughout your period. All these nutrients work together in harmony to ease pain, support your well-being, and help you feel your best every month. Oats are more than a breakfast. They're a science-backed ally for your period, offering real, natural relief. Simple, everyday food can make a real difference in how you feel. That's the power of oats: nourishing, comforting, and scientifically proven to help you through your cycle. Knowing oats are good for you is one thing. Actually making them a regular part of your meals is another challenge entirely. But enjoying oats can be easy and fun. Start with classic porridge, a warm and comforting breakfast that never goes out of style. Then get creative with toppings. Try cinnamon, fresh or frozen berries, a swirl of nut butter, or a sprinkle of seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. If you're short on time in the mornings, try overnight oats. Just mix oats with milk or yogurt in a jar, add your favorite fruit and a handful of seeds, then let it chill overnight for a grab-and-go breakfast that's ready when you are. Oat flour is a fantastic swap in baking. Use it for healthier muffins, pancakes, or even homemade bread for a wholesome twist. Add oats to homemade granola bars or energy balls for a nutritious, portable snack that's perfect for busy days. Toss a scoop of oats into your smoothies for extra fiber, creaminess, and a boost of lasting energy. Use oats as a binder in homemade veggie burgers or to thicken soups and stews, making your meals heartier and more filling. Oats fit into any meal of the day, whether you prefer sweet or savory dishes. With so many delicious options to choose from, it's easy to make oats a regular, healthy part of your diet. They're delicious, simple, and pain-fighting. What's not to love about oats? We've explored how oats can help manage period pain and boost your overall health. Consistency is key. Adding oats to your diet a few times a week can make a real difference. This is about empowering yourself with simple, sustainable choices. Start with one new oat recipe this week and see how you feel. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Medicine and Health Info MK for more tips and recipes. Join our community and share your journey. We're here to support you. Remember, a simple bowl of oats can be the start of better health. Thanks for watching and take care.